The latest generation Nissan Sentra is one of the least exciting and attractive compact car here in the US, but calling it a failure won't be accurate at all. The Sentra is still considered as a fresh car in Nissan's lineup, hence we could be witnessing big improvements coming to the car. Just a week ago, new reports have surfaced online claiming that Nissan is already working on a new trim for the Sentra and it will see the car coming with more power and greater fuel economy. It was also mentioned that the new trim will feature a hybrid powertrain. If that is not exciting enough, the upcoming Sentra is also linked to getting a sports trim and it will see the compact car running on a 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that is sourced from the Renault Megane RS. The setup will allow the Sentra to pump out 280 horsepower and 288 feet-pounds of torque, which will then make it as Nissan's champion in the local sports hatch scene. But of course, the reports are based on uncited sources and they should be taken with a grain of salt. If it does come through, we can perhaps say that Nissan is beginning to get exciting again.